Hello and welcome back to another video. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Fola. I care about skincare. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Goji Berry Serum, and this is my honest review, guys. This post is not sponsored. So I've been talking about Goji Berry Serum since forever on my channel, and I feel like it's only right for me to actually, review it in case you would want to get it. So before we actually go into talking about Goji Berry Serum as a whole, let's talk about Goji Berry. What does Goji Berry even mean? Have we even heard it before? Is it like the normal strawberry? Everything. So Goji Berry now contains very good anti-aging properties. It contains amino acid. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B, and amino acid has been known to help to rejuvenate the skin and heal wounds faster. So imagine something that has amino acid, vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, and vitamin C, and it has zinc. And zinc is an excellent treatment for acne. Okay, that is for Goji Berry alone. And this particular product now has Goji Berry. It's Goji Berry Serum with hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanicals. Hyaluronic acid, as we all know, is a very excellent anti-aging property. It helps in skin rejuvenation. It helps in moisture. It helps the skin to retain moisture, as well as retinol. It contains retinol as well. Retinol helps to boost skin collagen production. So a research shows that everybody from the age of 25 should incorporate retinol into their skincare regimen because it helps to slow down aging properties. It's not like retinol will now reverse wrinkles and all, but if you start using them before you start having wrinkles, it helps to prolong your wrinkles. Like for now, you're never going to see wrinkles on your face, so don't wait till you're like 40 or 38 or in your early 40s or mid 30s before you start using anti-aging skincare products. It is very, 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 very good. So this particular one basically is going to help you with dark spots because retinol and hyaluronic acid help with dark spots reduction. And this thing contains arbutin as well. As we all know, arbutin is a very good whitening product. Okay, so it says this product is enriched with whitening and moisturizing ingredients such as arbutin. Yeah, to effectively fade melanin and deeply moisturize the skin, leaving it shiny. You see this shiny finish on my face right now. It is not oil. Okay, one of the things on my face at the moment is Goji Berry Serum. I have a video on how I got this shiny finish. I'm going to leave it somewhere in the description box so you can check it out if you want to. Okay, so basically this serum helps to soothe the face. So if you've been using whitening products and you're getting to realize that you're already having face redness, your face is getting red, or your face is just itching you, or if you have dry skin and your face itches you a lot, you should get this particular product. It helps to soothe the skin. So if your face is red, use it at night basically, and you will see the wonders. It also has Goji Berry face cream. I know the cream is also very good. I've not used the cream before because I use vitamin C face cream. I've not used the cream before, but I do know that because I've seen people praise it. I've heard people talk about it. I've read a lot about it. The face cream is also very good. So if you need something that is not going to something that you want to moisturize your face, you want to hydrate your face, you want something that will boost your face moisture. Can you see my face is not oily? It's not like there is oil. There's no oil on my face at the moment. See my hand? Yeah, there's no oil on my face. Okay, it's not like my face is oily or anything. It's a skincare product, one of which is this particular one. So it helps your face to retain moisture. It helps your face to just soothe your face. The whitening property is not like whitening like that. No, it's not going to whiten your face. But if you've gotten your shade, if you've attained the shade you want for your face, you can use this to maintain it. Like use this and just use your normal soap and use this particular one and the face cream as well. It helps to like just glow your face. You will see the radiance that comes with it. Now talking about the price, it is 1,500. I usually buy it 1,500 naira. That's about $3 thereabout. I usually buy it 1,500 naira. I don't know, that should be the price range depending on where you are buying from, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It looks cloudy and it has pink ampoules. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to call it. It has like pink particles. Yeah, it has like pink particles. I want to believe that's the goji berry inside it. So this is the consistency. It has a gel, see? It has a gel-like consistency. This is it. It has a gel-like consistency. So it's not liquid, it's not fluid like water. It looks like vitamin C, or this gel-like vitamin C serum. Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. So yeah, that is it. That is it for the video. I've shown you the consistency, I've told you the price, this is what it looks like, so that you will not go and buy the fake. I'll put the picture, I don't know if it has fake, but I'll put what it looks like. I'll put the picture on the screen and can get it and get your glow on. Okay, get your glow on, get your glow on. See, you guys, see. And then again, I should tell you that my knuckles have gotten way better. I don't know if you have seen the video where I mentioned that I used one particular product that ruined my knuckles. So to God be the glory, great things he has done. My knuckles are getting better. Look at. Okay, so yeah, enough with the shenanigans. That's it for this video, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in my other videos. Bye.